guys, welcome back. This is Stephanie, the Chief Experience Officer. Today, let's discuss what are the benefits of a water flosser. Water flosser is clinically proven more than 2 times as effective at cleaning implants than string floss. It requires less manual dexterity. It takes about a minute to clean the entire mouth. All you need is just water. Water flossers are appropriate for people of any age, even children as young as 6, as long as they have supervision. And you can avoid uncomfortable string digging into your fingers and gums. If you currently have braces, crowns, ridges, veneers, or implants, water flosser can help you keep them clean and healthy. Using a water flosser also can reduce the need for expensive dental work down the road. For long-term use of water flossing may clean up excess plaque that make your teeth yellow without causing tooth sensitivity, as whitening treatments sometimes do. Water flosser can help you remove the plaque and bacteria that live below the gum line and cause bad breath. It gives you that fresh from dentist feeling right in the comfort of your own home. Water flosser is clinically proven to reduce gingivitis and improve gum health. It cleans between your teeth and below the gum line to get rid of plaque that traditional dental floss leaves behind. Water flosser is also good at massaging sore gums. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.